I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, mostly in the upper 40s to the 50s, we'll see a cold front dive south for tomorrow. Highs tomorrow still make it into the 40s, even around 50 over north central Kansas. Behind the front, north winds gust up to 45 tomorrow afternoon and to around 30 on Saturday. Light snow a possibility in western areas for tomorrow night through Saturday. As Arctic high pressure builds south, highs drop into the low to mid-20s Saturday, the teens for highs Sunday and Martin Luther King Day. Saturday night through Monday night, lows are just below 0 to near 10 below. Wind chills all 3 nights, expected to range from 10 to 25 below. The lack of snow cover allows our highs to quickly rebound into the mid to upper 20s Tuesday and to seasonal levels in the mid to upper 30s by Wednesday. Checking the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures, for the most part, likely to be slightly cooler than normal Tuesday through January 29th. Precipitation for Nebraska and Kansas Tuesday through January 29th indicated to be slightly below normal to near normal. In the regional drought monitor, Nebraska continues to be 2% drought-free. Drought-free conditions to abnormal dryness are from Ogallala to Benkelman, Lexington to Alma, and the very southeast corner of the state. Most of central and eastern Nebraska, North Platte to McCook, and the southern panhandle are in moderate drought. Severe drought continues from Custer County and the north central from Valentine to Norfolk. Extreme drought remains at 8% of Nebraska, to include the northwest panhandle and the northeast corner of Cherry County. Kansas is better off, still at 35% drought-free. Much of western Kansas and locations along and south of I-70 continue to be drought-free to abnormally dry. Moderate drought remains over the north central and northeastern parts of Kansas and from southern Rawlins County to northern Thomas County. Key weather factors affecting the markets include colder air building into the U.S. and the chance for widespread rain in Argentina and southern Brazil this weekend. An Arctic front, now over western Canada, dives southeastward, reaching the eastern U.S. by Saturday. High pressure trailing the front is centered over the northern plains Monday and the Ohio Valley by the middle of next week. Some precipitation precedes and accompanies the cold front, with rainfall expected to reach 1 to 2 inches in parts of the southeast. Behind the front, snow squalls develop downwind of the Great Lakes. Late week snow showers affect the eastern slopes of the Rockies and the nearby plains. The rest of the U.S., including the eastern plains, upper Midwest, and far west, receive little or no precipitation over the next 5 days. Cold air engulfing the U.S. results in temperatures as low as 30 below early next week on the northern plains, while below zero readings could extend as far south as the central plains and Ohio Valley. Florida's citrus belt should remain above freezing, but the deep south of Texas may contend with near freezing temperatures. In Argentina and southern Brazil, rainfall could become more widespread this weekend before another stretch of dry weather next week. Central and northern Brazil continue to fare better, with widespread rain continuing to favor soybeans in the filling stage. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.